prosperity and abundance. Welcome to my channel, Exploring Essence. I am Essence. If you're new here, then go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and we're gonna get into this video. Today's video is about me apartment hunting here in Thailand. I'm so excited that I finally decided on a place. And I've moved in after 7 days of looking for places. It was such a process. I'm not gonna say a struggle because anybody was struggling. It was just a process because I'm very indecisive and I wanted exactly what I wanted reflected in a place. Like I wanted everything that I am kind of sort of reflected in the space that I'm existing and living in during the time that I'm here. So let's get into it.
If you're truly meant to be, two heartbeats apart.
Okay, this is Apple. She's a realtor here in Phuket and she's taking me to view 3 houses today. In just a moment so you can see which place out of the 20 places I looked at. I did view 20 places. I only recorded like half of that, and you're gonna get to see them all, see the prices, what's included, and what places look like here in Thailand when you're searching. But I really wanted my place to be modern, have a washing machine, and have the things included that are important to me. Okay. So when you're looking for places to stay here in Thailand, I know most people, if it's a short stay, they use Airbnb. You know, you can always book a hotel room. Or what I did was search on Facebook Marketplace, and I found a lot of these. I just put in my budget and what I was looking for, and then I contacted the realtors or the people who created the listing to set up a time and a date where I could come meet them and view the houses or the apartments, and then I started on my journey. So this house was okay. I liked everything except the lighting on the inside, and the kitchen sink were located outside in the back of the house. I didn't really like that so much. This is house number 2. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. The kitchen was very small and compact, and it really wasn't what I was seeking for a house. I like the windows though, but that's it. No. This is house number 3. It was very nice and spacious. The only downsides were that there was no refrigerator located in this house, and there was no washing machine. The lighting on the inside of the house was very low and dim, and I really want a place that has bright lights. Also, the bathroom was not as modern as I would have hoped for, so this isn't the option that I'll be choosing. And this is house number 4. It has a really great yard, which is what I love the most about it. The living room area is very small. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. And the owner of the house, she lives right behind the house, so it's a very close-knit neighborhood. The bathroom was the only con for me because I want my toilet and my shower to be separated, and in this house they aren't separated. Kitchen was okay. It was had enough space there. I'll be able to put my fruit. And the greenhouse is house number 5. I really love the whole vibe and aesthetic. It was like traditional Thai style home. The owner of the fourth house is the same owner for this house. She's renting this one out for a cheaper price, but this one does not include Wi-Fi, which is something that is important to me. I need Wi-Fi. And I don't want to have to go about having to set that up myself. So that was something that had me considering not using this place, but I did really like the style of the house and where it was located. When it comes to the bathroom, the shower, and it's very interesting how the shower is right in front of where the toilet is. Okay, so this is day 2 of me out apartment hunting, and I'm riding on the back of the motorcycle with my friend Mzuri. He's taking me around today because I still haven't gotten a bike yet. So let's see what these places look like. So this area is Rawai in Phuket. So it's kind of like at the end of the island. What I love so much about Thailand is all of the palm trees, all of the green space, all of the nature that's all around, the people, the food, and it's just a vibe being out here riding on motorbikes. I just love the energy. It just makes me feel so free and flowing. I love it here. This is apartment number 6, and the property manager decided to show me this house the morning after the last renters moved out, so they had not cleaned the property yet, and that really put me off about seeing this entire property, because they literally showed me a place that had not been cleaned. It was dirty, and that really did not entice me or encourage me to want to spend my money to come live here, because I'm all about presentation and aesthetics. If you are going to show someone something where they're about to spend their money, I would think that you're going to show them the best, because they could have asked me to come at a later time and I would have done that, or a different day after the place was already clean. Just finished looking at the first spot of the day. That's how I feel. Now we're heading to apartment number 7. Let's go. I really love this resort style condo. It's basically meant for short stay, but it is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. It has a kitchen. On the property, they have a place where I could wash clothes. They have a wonderful pool outside, and there's an upstairs and a downstairs, so I really love the space. The only downfall of this place is the lighting on the inside of the home downstairs. Could be a lot better, but everything else is perfect. It has a balcony. And this became my top choice considering the houses that I saw prior to this. I was like sold. I just needed a little bit more time to consider what it is that I wanted. So this is Yo. She's a realtor that I found through Facebook. She was really nice, and she's taking me to view 3 houses today. The first 2 houses are owned by the same family. One of them is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with plenty of space. I really loved it, but this house was 14,000 baht, which was above the price budget that I had sent her previously, but she still wanted to show me the house, so I was open to checking it out. They have a community pool and it is so beautiful, and this was like going to be the determining factor for me deciding on one of these homes. Home number 2 is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. It is 10,000 baht and it is very nice and spacious. I was happy with it. The bathroom isn't as modern as I would like, which was the only downfall on me making the decision. And this same price as the other one?
This one is 11,000 baht. Yes. And then
the kitchen was nice and spacious. There would be plenty of space for me to put my fruit. They have a refrigerator, and there is also a washing machine in the backyard, which was very important because I need a space where I can wash my clothes. And then there's a drying rack right there in the backyard.
washing machine. But if you book that house, so we can move it.
Now we are at house number 10, and this was my top choice. This home was 12,000 baht, which is like roughly almost like 380 something dollars. And I just so loved it. It was like a 2-sided house. So the bedroom and the bathroom are in one part, and that is disconnected from the kitchen and the living room. But it was so modern, so beautiful. There's a community pool that overlooks the ocean, and this was just like so beautiful. But after speaking to the property manager, like, he expressed to me that this is basically a hotel and people come here for short stays. So the contract would only be available for up until October, which that's like 3 months, and I didn't see the point of having to move, or if they increase the prices because of tourism. I was just like, that would suck. So that kind of helped me like decide not with this place, but I loved it aesthetically. I thought it would be a great place to create vlogs and to like just be creative, because it was just so cute, so modern, and it's just like almost villa style. Oh my gosh, you all should have seen it. So it's 5, but it's less than we make decisions now. It's the pool. I can swim every day. Okay, what I was seeking when I was looking for a house or a condo here was a place that has a washing machine, Wi-Fi is included, and water and electricity are within a price range that I actually wanted to play, or they're included as well. Okay, so my budget here in Thailand monthly for apartment, condo, house hunting was between 8,000 and 12,000 baht, depending on what was included in the aesthetics of the place. And so I'm really happy with the place that I decided on, and we're going to get into that in just a moment. So, oh yeah, and I want to thank everyone who took me around to go view apartments here in Thailand, from the realtors, my friends, and myself, because once I got that bike, I was out here okay, I'm just playing. I was out here riding, so I was able to take myself a few places and build up my trust with myself, riding a bike by myself. Okay, that was a process. I was happy with the bike rental that I got, because it was like the size that like my body and my strength could handle, because bigger bikes, you have to be prepared for that weight for when you stop, because when you stop you can tilt over if it's too big for you to handle. So I made sure to get one that was my size, fun size. Okay, let's get into these apartments. Okay, if you've made it to the end of this video, you're really awesome. This is me sitting in the apartment, the condo that I finally decided on after looking at 20 places. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw me swimming at the top of the roof, because the pool here is on the top of the roof, and I absolutely love it. That was like my determining factor on choosing this place, because I wanted to be somewhere where I could swim as much as I wanted. And I really love the view from the top of the apartment. This place is like completely so modern. It's definitely what I wanted aesthetically, and I'm like, it's just me, and I just needed a small, cute and quaint space for myself, and I'm so happy. This has a washing machine, which was so important to me because I didn't want to have to go out and about to wash my clothes. And this is like nice and cute and just fun size for me because I'm the only one who will be living here. So I'm just like living my solo female life, bachelor life, and I'm so excited. Like, Y'all should come here. If you made it to the end of this video, you're so amazing. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you may have about finding an apartment in Thailand or what it's like living here.